Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to change Redmi mobile privacy password. Friends, you want to change Redmi mobile privacy password. So friends, now let's see how to change Redmi mobile privacy password one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, Redmi mobile, you want to change privacy password. Open your device phone setting, scroll down here, and friends you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, open your phone password and security setting. After turning your phone password and security setting, friends you can see screen lock, face lock and fingerprint lock you can use. Second friends, you can use other password, privacy password setting you want to use, so you can use. So friends, click your privacy password setting, enter your privacy password, and you don't know your password. If you click your forget option, so friends you will have to erase all data, then you can unlock your Redmi mobile privacy password. So friends, we will cancel it. I will enter my password. After enter password, you want to update, you want to change Redmi mobile privacy password. So friends, click here Redmi mobile change password. Again enter your password, and friends if you draw your new pattern, so friends you can see password will not change. First of all, again enter your pattern. Now you can draw new pattern and you can change your Redmi mobile privacy password. So friends, I will draw new pattern, and friends remember your new pattern. Okay, if you forget your pattern, you will have to erase all data in your Redmi mobile. Confirm your pattern, and if you click here, so you can draw again your pattern. After confirm pattern, your privacy password will change. You can check friends, if you draw old pattern, your privacy password will not unlock. Draw your new pattern, you can unlock your privacy password. And you want to off your show pattern settings, so if you click here, so friends you can check when you will draw pattern here, privacy password will unlock and your pattern will not show. And again if you click here, so friends your pattern password will show. When you will draw pattern, your pattern will show. Draw pattern, privacy password unlock. You want to use privacy, if you want to use your privacy password, so you can, if you click your file option, use option, you can private your photos, videos in Redmi mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.